Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility of 3 new sandboxes opening. For those who are unaware, there's the Phuket sandbox. We did have the Samui sandbox back in 2021. And these protocols, basically, folks will go ahead and travel into the country. They'll fly into the sandbox generally directly. So, for example, in Phuket, there's an international airport down there. Folks fly in. They go ahead and undertake a brief quarantine directly in a hotel. So long as they're testing negative, they're allowed sort of free reign. We've been kind of joking here in the office. We've been calling Phuket Devil's Island, sort of in reference to the old prison island, the Dreyfus affair and all of that. And, in French history, I don't know. We got to have something to joke about in these times. But obviously, Phuket, it's been pretty pleasant from what our clients have told us, but you are stuck on Phuket Island until you're sort of clear to be able to go further afield here in Greater Thailand. But it does afford the ability to not be fully quarantined just in a room for multiple days on end, depending on your circumstances, multiple days on end. One can at least have free reign to kind of go out, go to beaches, maybe grab some food or something in Phuket. So, I mean, for what it's worth, it's a little bit better than, sort of standard quarantine. But a recent article from the Bangkok Post, BangkokPost.com, article is titled, Bangkok Pattaya Ice Sandbox Deal, but pertinent to this video was this small excerpt, quoting directly, the Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration on Friday approved 3 additional sandbox destinations covering Suratani, Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, and Koh Tao, Krabi, and Koh Phangan, in addition to Phuket. So, looks like Suratani, Krabi, and Phangan they're gonna have some sort of sandbox protocol, and while I'm happy for any of these developments, I've done other videos. Just kind of on a personal note, I kind of think we've made maybe 1 step forward and 2 steps back here in the last roughly 3 weeks with the end of test and go, the reversion to the Phuket sandbox, and now this kind of baby step to the, creation of these new sandboxes. I mean, I would honestly, it kind of begs the question to me, at what point does this end? Are we just, leaving that aside. Long story short, yeah, it looks like 3 new places are going to be opened up to some sandbox entrance, which should provide a little bit more relaxing accommodation when coming into Thailand and having to deal with all these protocols.